welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while, guys. Welcome back to my video. Welcome back to another video. My name is Pamela. If you're here, welcome, and if you're returning sub, welcome back. I love you and appreciate you so much. So guys, we're doing another vlog. It's a vlog, it's a cleaning vlog. So before we do that, guys, I just have a request for you. So if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. I think I'm on 140, I don't know, 146 946 subbies. So I'm short with 54 before I reach 1,000 subbies. So if you're new here, guys, please do subscribe. Please do subscribe. And to all the returning subbies, to everyone that is watching, guys, please do give me some love in the comment section. Please do comment, please like the video so that my videos can be recommended to others, and then I can get views, because my views are not totally gahle. So I'm begging you, please like the video, please comment, so that my channel can be recommended and I can get at least 500 views, and you know. Okay guys, it's been a while. So today is Sunday. I'm just coming back from Sunday, and I was like, you know what, let me do something, because it's early. I think the time now is 1. So what I'm gonna do is I want to give my kitchen a spring cleaning. My kitchen is very small, so it's not gonna take a lot of time to clean. I just want to dust out my cupboards, and then, you know, try to reset here and there. Yeah. So before we do that, I passed by Mr. Price home to get a few stuff. So, and there's always a sale at Mr. Price home, and then I also passed by Legit. You know, I'm a girl, so says Tang. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna show you what I bought from Mr. Price home. It's not a lot of stuff, but just enjoy. So I bought this throw because I want to change my bedding, but then I'm buying ganane. So I bought this beautiful throne. It was 200 rand. Yeah, it was 200 rand at Mr. Price home for my bed. And then I also bought this cover. It's a duvet cover, black one to match with the throne. And then I bought this for my kitchen. I want to change the tray from the kitchen counter, and then I'm gonna put this one in the bit of flowers, you know, the troll. And then I bought this beautiful cups. Bought this for my cappuccino, guys. They are so cute. How much were these? They are 190. I think they're a bit priced, but that's fine. I love them. So yeah, this is what I bought from Mr. Price home. Then I passed by the jeans. I bought this beautiful bag. I think it's this bag is let me just try and get the lighting. Guys, my bed is a mess because I went to wash the bedding and then put in one. So I bought this bag from Legit. I think this bag can come in handy when I run the errands. I can just put everything in here, and yeah. This was from Legit. And then I also bought this beautiful top. I love the tops like these ones. And then I bought green, like this green jersey. I also love it, but they wall. So this was on sale. It was 179 from 229. And then what else? No, just underwears. Yeah, 3-pack of underwears. So that's basically everything that I bought. So now guys, I'm just gonna get comfortable. It was cold today, you know. This is the week of snow, so yeah, also cold in Johannesburg. So I'm just gonna like try and wear something comfortable, and then we can start cleaning my house. My husband went to Dobsonville with her mom to see Mamani. Yeah, so I have the house to myself, which is where I want to clean. So guys, I'm so beautiful with this too. Please, anyway guys, let's do this video. Please do not forget what I asked from you guys. Comment, like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Let's go clean my kitchen. Okay my love, so I've changed. I'm just gonna tidy up here first, because also this room needs a spring cleaning, you know, but then I'm not sure how long the cup is going to take, because I really like cleaning my house when there is no one, because obviously the kids are playing the balcony, so I just want to be alone and clean my house, you know. Really just want to be alone and clean my house. So I'm just gonna remove this bedding, you know, wash up before I can actually go to the kitchen. Let me just see. I love the color gray because obviously I have kids, so at least the gray color is, you know, yeah. Okay, let's tidy up. Let me just put you here. Yeah. Guys, I just want to remove everything like my carrots, and I also want to change this vase. I don't like it anymore, but I'm gonna change the flowers because they are too cute. I love them. I'm just gonna cut them and then put in another vase, and then I'm also gonna remove everything over there, and then I can clean. And then this one here, my heart is so broken. It's no longer working. It's been sitting there for almost a year now because it's here. So, and I tried using it on the Friday, and then I realized it's not working. So yeah, let's start cleaning. I don't even know where to start actually. I was so energetic, and now I'm like, oh, I'm gonna start. Okay, but let's start. So guys, this is the vase that I want to use. I've been using this vase before, and then I changed it. I think I'm just gonna cut the flowers and then put some water here so that they will look real. Okay, please first before we continue.
This bottle a long time ago and they are sitting on dust, so I think now it's time that I use them. So if you are setting my kitchen, let me just open them. It's so beautiful. I like the color. You know, having a kitchen with this dull color, at least the least you can do is just to buy colorful things. And I wish I bought a white or cream air fryer, but then it is what it is. So I don't know if I should just put them over there. And also I want to change this because I bought this one from Timu. So you see, beautiful. I'm not gonna put everything in here, just gonna put a few, and then especially the one that I use. And then the ezimsalala is and the funny even print. So I think it's hambilan. And then I'm just gonna put the shopping board here, and then put this. I don't know if you can see that. I'm not sure, but it is a set, so I'm still trying to see if it's going to work or not. I'm going to put it like this here. Okay, and then let's see what I'm gonna put here. Jesus. And I'm gonna put this vase over here. Yo, crazy guys, is wrong my camera? No. Okay, let me show you the try and zoom it for you guys, like, so that you can see and tell me what you think. I'm just trying to adjust the camera and then you know this, and then because you know I think that's cute.
Tell me if it's not, guys, but I think I like it. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like that. So guys, I did put some water here, just trying to make these look real as real as possible. See, I love white flowers, you know, I love them so much. Yeah, just the color. So I'm just gonna put this here. I don't know what else should I put in here in this tray. I'm not sure, guys. I don't know, like maybe a candle. Okay, let me see. This was the candle. This was the candle that I used before. So I'm not sure if I should also put this candle and this thing over here, just, you know, like this. Yeah. Yeah. I think it's cute. What do you think? Okay. Guys, I have this spice jars that I bought a long time ago, but I do not have these. So I'm just gonna put these now. But first I need to wash them. They're not a lot. Then I also need to remove this one. No. Yeah. So let me just wash this and then put these stickers. Super happy. It's still a mess. You can't see what I'm doing, but when I'm done you will see. So I think I'm just gonna put her on my back. Maybe she's going to sleep and then we can continue. back. It's me again. I'm recording from my beautiful and clean kitchen. Anyway, my loves, we've come to the end of the video. My kitchen is clean and smelling so nice. I'm so proud of myself, even though it was not easy because Kwezi was like so it was not easy. Anyway, we've come at the end of this video. If you watched till this far, please do make sure that you comment down below as I have requested, like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. So guys, yeah, it's the end of the video. I love you so much, you guys. I love you so much. Please please guys, take me to 1,000. Give me 1,000 subbies. Give me 1,000 subbies, guys. I cannot wait to be monetized. You know, doing this content thing is so hard, especially if you are broke. It's not easy. When we are broke, it's not easy. That's why I need you to support me. Please do support me and get me to 1,000 subbies. I also need a watch time because I struggle so much with the watch time. I think I'm on 1,000 something and I have to be on 4,000 to be monetized. And my prayer is that by the end of this year I get monetized, so that next year I get paid and I will be giving you so much content. Once I get paid, I'll be shopping non-stop for you to create the content for you. So guys, please do watch the videos, like the videos so that they can be recommended to others, and then we can grow the channel. Okay, enough. I'll see you on the other side. I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.